What's going on, guys? Derek here from Dose of VT. Happy to bring you another video. This time, obviously you can see by the title and what it says on the box, it is the Magsafe Duo Charger. So for the people that don't know what this is, you can kind of tell by the picture, it is for your iPhone and for your Apple Watch. Instead of having like two chargers or anything crazy like that, it's built into one. It's foldable, which means it's portable. You can take it anywhere. All you need is the charging brick. They recommend the 20-watt charging brick there, but it comes with the cable, and as you can see, you're able to lift up the little pad there so you can have your Apple Watch facing up. Then you can see how it's portable. So this is Apple's new thing when it comes to being portable, being slim, being able to take it on the go to charge your Apple Watch and your iPhone. Now you can also charge your AirPods too if you really wanted to, but it's mostly just for the phone and for the watch. It is Lightning to USB Type-C, so we will open this puppy up and see what's inside. Now I have done other wireless chargers. The only reason I got this one is just because it's from Apple. Apple usually makes high quality products, and their products usually always last and usually don't have any issues with them. So this is probably the biggest reason why I bought it, because I can take it somewhere and it probably won't have any issues. Now picking it up, obviously on the left you can see this is for your iPhone, then for your Apple Watch. Then it is foldable with magnets. Nice and satisfying there. Then obviously by the picture you can lift that up, so now you can use your Apple Watch as a clock if you have that feature turned on. On the back side here it looks like the Lightning port, then on the other side will be your USB Type-C. So you got Lightning, USB Type-C. Now it would have been nice if they would have made the whole thing USB Type-C, but that's just not how Apple does it. This does have some weight to it, which could be a good thing, could be a bad thing depending on how you look at it. But I just like how simple, sleek it is. There's nothing insane about it. Documentations. Yeah, nothing special, no Apple stickers or anything like that. But I just wanted to do unboxing, guys, to show you kind of how this is. Is it worth 130 bucks or whatever this thing is selling for? Absolutely not. I can tell you, you could get a wireless charger that will be way better and can do more. Like some of the other wireless chargers I showed you on my channel, those can obviously do a lot more than this. Like the one can charge 2 phones plus my Apple Watch. The other one can charge an iPhone, an Apple Watch, and AirPods. And I think it can do charge to another device as long as you have USB to whatever, Type-C or whatever, and then you can have 4. And those cost all less than this, especially when they're on sale, because Apple usually doesn't put their products on sale. But I just wanted to do an unboxing for you guys. I will do a midway review on how I like it, if it's worth it, if it's not worth it, if you should buy it or you shouldn't buy it. But there you go, guys. Nothing crazy, nothing insane about this. It's just nice and simple, and it's got magnets, so why not? But thanks for watching, guys. Peace.